my mind suffering with the problem. So, how to overcome the problem within me? This is my question. The same time, in my mind, there is a word, all the problem will be solved. The word is in the form of peace. When we are given peace, we will be forgetting our problems. Most of the time, we are not remembering the problem because it makes our mind more sensitive and more worrying and sadness stages. When my mind is not worrying, I am feeling so good. So there are two different area inside our mind. One is which is most worry, sad and difficult. Other side is peace. These are the two sides of the mind. What we need is the peace. Then the peace is only with the God, where He creates and distributing through the feelings from the soul. If we see the rain, can you imagine how the rain is formed? Can you imagine how it's created? From where? And also it is done by the nature automatically without any external force by the human being. Like that, the peace, the creation of the peace is with the God. It is from the God. It's happening in the nature, but we are blocking it. We are stopping it by doing unrelated activities, which is not related to our life, which is not related to my mind, which is not related to my any future. So what are the unrelated things? The unrelated is materially I am moving. I need money. I want to earn money. So which is not truth, which is not justice, which is not right thing, we are doing that. Because of that, we are suffering into problem. The peace is disturbed, and also it is happening for so many days. The day and night, we can't sleep, we can't control our mind because it is suffering. At that point, we will call God. Otherwise, without noticing our mind, we just pray to the God. A person who pray to the God, or who remember Him, or who ask help from the God, oh God, what is going on? I don't know. Please help me. Anyhow, you are remembering the God. When you are remembering the God, at that point of moment, your mind is getting into peace. So you are forgetting your problem. Every problem is solved from the creation of the peace. Problem is because of my knowledge in my mind, where I am following the human beings, where I am following others, except the God's path. I am following everything. There my problem starts. So the problem starting from my mind, where I am believing the knowledge, the human's knowledge, from that part my every situation is getting worse and worse. I am becoming sad and worried and in depression and sorrow. Now my mind is saying at other side, the problem will be solved. So that is the word of the God. The only word of the God is all the problems what we have now, what you earned from the knowledge within you should be solved. This is the word of the God. But we are thinking that the people will help me, the money will help me, the material and the materialistic power and the human power will save me from the worst situation. So you don't think that your knowledge will not help you from your own difficulties. When we are saying that it is our own difficulties, we should understand from my knowledge. It is not my knowledge, actually it is human's knowledge and human's path. When I am trying to making money, there I am falling in the human's path. Within their boundary I am living. In that circle I can't remember of the God, because you are in the money minded, and your money minded path is so dangerous for your life. Then how can we live a life without money? So how did you create the food? How will you create a food? Who is creating the food? The God. So we have no rights to say that we are creating or we cultivating it. Every food is from the God, from the water. The creation of the rain we don't know. How it's happening we don't know. Everything happening through the nature. The nature gives water to the land. From the land we are getting the food resources. From that resources we are eating, and still we are living now. Think of the starting point, how you are created. Who created? From where? What is the process? It's all happened in a hidden world. Now also the babies are born by the God's power. Through His creation, human beings are created. The 10 months we are in a hidden world. Nobody knows what is happening to us, but we are thinking after certain years, while we are growing, we are thinking we can live a life which we can desire, which we seeing by others. We can live a life what we want, but it's not going to happen, because your soul will not allow to your knowledge going way. When and all a human being thinking that I can live at any path, whatever I do, nothing hurts me. No, the God is watching over every human being, and He is above the all. He is the supreme power. Now we have to understand the God. The sufferings is not based on the rich and poor. The suffering based on the mind. What do I believe? Whether I believe in material, whether I believe in the evil path, whether I believe in the God path, whether I believe in the material or unmaterial, whether I believe in the good or bad, whether I believe in the untruth or truth. Everything what we are seeing is not truth. Everything what you heard, everything what you are listening daily is not your life, is not your way of living. Then what is the way of living? The peaceful life. The only question should arise in our mind whenever asking about the life, whether do you live in peaceful manner or not. A simple question from the heart, from the soul, whether you living with peace or not. No, I am not living with peace. Then what you need? I want the peace. This is our need, basic need to live. Of course you need air, water, food. You need air for breathing, you need water for consumption, you need food for your living purpose. Who creating these three fundamental needs of every human being? The air, water, food is common to all, common needs to every human being. So now we have to understand the creation power of these things is now distributing us, and he is serving the food. From the food we are living the life. While living now we need peace. Whenever I am in the need of peace, God knows me. God knows about me everything. God is a power which is controlling all the elements in the universe. An atom of an element also controlled by the God. So where will you think of yourself that you can live a life? How can you think that we can live a life which I constructed with my own knowledge, with my own imagination? I am trying to build a life which I want to be, but God says, I gave you birth, not your mother's. In the mother's womb, who created you? That is the point. There the God created every human being. From there human beings are created. The mind, the soul, the heart, everything is created from a unseen supreme power. We call the God the supreme power. From that power we are now living, and in future also we are going to live by the help of the God. And the God is saying that you will live by my command. By God's command we have to live. You should live by my command and my order. There is certain order by the God to follow. It is very easy because He kept His words in the soul, and the soul is within us. We don't want to search on the outside through the eyes. We don't want to search on any resources in this world. We don't want to travel, but we have to travel by mind. The creation power starts from the soul. The soul knows everything about you, so it guides you. The soul is the guidance where you can think about your future. So what is my future to be? My future should be a peaceful life. My peaceful life is a life where I need very settled life, the well settled life. The peace is the topmost life of the world. A peaceful mind is the topmost mind. A person who having a peace, you can't seek more than that. You can't ask further than the peace. More than the peace, there is nothing in this universe. Only the peace is the need of all time for every human being. Instead of I am solving my problem, I am just being patient and seeking help from the God. That's enough for any human being to come out of the problem. By just seeing my problem, I'm just sitting in my place where I'm stuck. It's not going to help you. It's not going to help for your future. But God knows about your future, so you don't try to overcome the God's power. You are a simple human being created by the God. The God is the supremost power. Between you and the God, there is a transformation of power. From the God side, it transfers His guidance. So the guidance is be calm, be peace, and be comfort by mind. Your problem may be about your relationship, about the human beings, about the money, whatever it may be, or lost in material. Any loss, what you have in your life, it is not a loss at all, because the God is a creating power. We are still living, we are not dead. So after the death, when the time comes, He will capture our soul and He will be giving the result on the day when we are dead. My body is dead, but the mind is still alive, and it will goes to the God, and He will gives the reward. It may be good or bad. So how will a person get reward in a life after death? This is a very huge discussion about after death. So in the upcoming explanation we can discuss about that. But the main thing now what we should understand is the peace. We are not living, but we are made to live by the God, by the God's power. We are living by the God's power and His guidance. That is the ultimate truth. No one can say this is not correct. No one can say that this is a false statement, because your soul knows very well these are a fundamental understanding of a mind. So only the God guidance is coming as a gift to everyone. So be humble, polite to everyone. Don't be angry, don't be hurry up, don't be rush up in your situation, in your activities, in your regular activities, in your daytime or night, whatever it may be. Express your mankind, express your humbleness, express the polite, express the calmness in you, express the patience. Patience means only where we have to talk or where we have to speak, there only we should speak out. The unwanted thoughts in my mind, the unwanted speaking, the unwanted listening, everything collapses my life, everything collapses the peace. So the God is the only power and guide. We are looking towards Him and His support and His help. Let Him help all. Let Him help all the human beings who are too willing to live a peaceful and heavenly life. Let the God forgive your sins and He will guide you further. May God help you all. If the God wills, the discussion will be given on the upcoming videos more.